Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you all recognize this plant. These are the chrysanthemum plants of this year. But for some reason we had to go out of Delhi for 15 days. And there was no one in home to take care of our chrysanthemum plants. So after we came back, we saw that all of our chrysanthemum plants were ruined. The chrysanthemum plants normally flower more than 1 month. But this year they stopped flowering very quickly because of the heavy rain in Delhi for the past few days. So in today's video, my mom is simply going to take care of this plant and help it revive so it can bloom well in the next season. So make sure to watch the video if your chrysanthemum plants are also in a very bad condition. First, my mom will start deadheading and trimming the plants. So my mom cut all the plants, just keeping 1 to 2 inches of the plant on the pot. Do you know deadheading helps maintain plant health? And sometimes it also encourages more blooms. This is the health of our chrysanthemum plants after 15 days. All the flowers were dried up. This was the only reason why my mom thought of deadheading and trimming the plants. Do you know, last time with chrysanthemum flowers we made many things, such as hair oil, tea, etc. But this year, as we were not in Delhi, we could not make anything out of fresh flowers. So with these leftovers, we are going to make some compost. This was the health of our plant after cutting it. Now we are simply going to put them in 5 to 6 inches pots each. Hopefully we'll be able to take good care of this plant until the next season. Then we'll create many other plants from the mother plants. And I hope this video was also helpful to you all. We will keep you notified about itself time to time. That's all for today. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. We have uploaded many other videos on this topic. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.